Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on Windows Defender on a Windows laptop or PC. If Windows Defender was turned off before, turning it back on helps protect your computer from viruses, malware, spyware, and other threats. First, go to the Start menu on your Windows 11 computer. Now search for Windows Security, then open it. Once Windows Security opens, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Now look for Real-Time Protection. To turn Windows Defender back on, switch Real-Time Protection to On. If Windows asks you to confirm with user account control, click Yes. Once Real-Time Protection is enabled, Windows Defender will start actively checking files, apps, and downloads for possible threats. You can also turn on Cloud-Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submission for better protection. These options help Microsoft Defender detect newer threats faster. After that, you can go back to the Virus and Threat Protection page and check your security status. If everything is working correctly, you should see that no action is needed or that your device is protected. And that's it. That's how you turn on Windows Defender in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.